Hi lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today I have Adele and this is Set Fire to the Rain. So guys,
I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips, and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak.
the first thing I'm going to talk about is a voice. Our voice has this power in it and it also has this ache in it. You can actually sense the pain in her voice. And this love, there's always, I think I saw it somewhere when someone said Adele is the queen of heartbreak because of the way she renders a song, because of the lyrics of a song. I didn't say that, somebody said it. And yeah, this particular song, it's like talking about a love that is beautiful, but at the same time, it is painful. When she said there is a side of you that I never knew, I think it sounded disappointing. It's like thinking you know someone, but realizing they are actually not who you think they are. It is actually disappointing. I also love the chorus. The chorus, it wasn't just about singing anymore. It was just like expressing emotions in an explosive way. It wasn't just about singing. I think the chorus, it is for me. I love the chorus of this song. And I think we have all been there at one point. I think we've all been there. This song is actually very beautiful. It is intense but beautiful. Also, she's saying it's actually hot, but it's actually hurt, but I'm still standing. I survived and I'm stronger now. I really, really love everything about this song. It is really beautiful. The voice, the lyrics. And yes, guys, thank you for doing this with me. Keep on sending your recommendations, your suggestions, and till we meet again in another video. Bye.